flood warning for City of Norfolk County, northeastern city of Suffolk County, north central city of Chesapeake County, northwestern city of Virginia Beach County, city of Portsmouth County, until 7:15 p.m.
Oh shoot, no way!
Daylight time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicates
Wow!
very heavy rain from a thunderstorm over city of Norfolk, city of Portsmouth, northwestern city of Virginia Beach.
Wow, guys, I just got
City
it.
of Chesapeake and northeastern
No
city of
way.
Suffolk counties. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to downtown Norfolk, Churchland, downtown Portsmouth,
Wow.
Virginia Wesleyan College, Norfolk State University, and Old Dominion.
No way.
Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches,
Awesome.
locally up to 4 inches, are possible in the warned area. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Never attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or in an automobile. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 07:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following independent cities in Virginia: